On this video, we're going to be looking at our potential energy and our potential difference problems. The amount of energy per charge has a specific name, and that's known as electrical potential or electrical potential difference. And right here we have the symbol for electrical potential difference. Now, just a quick beware. W in our previous problems is electrical potential energy, and it's joules. Here, V is electrical potential, it's joules per coulomb. In other words, this is our voltage, this is our potential difference. Again, I have my reminder here of what Coulomb's constant is, and then our potential equation that I need you to copy down is going to be right here. We're going to explain that to you on the next couple of slides. So for your potential energy and potential difference homework, I've given you the equations and I've shown you which equation you use for each problem. Now let's just start off by looking at this one right here. You know Coulomb's constant, you know your charge, you know the distance, and the change in V, this is potential difference. Now this right here, potential difference, is going to be in units of volts. Moving over to the problems, 2 would be next. When we're looking at this one right here, so as we look at this here, this is our change in potential energy, and this is in units of joules. You do have your charge, again that's in coulombs. The D is distance. The E here is the magnitude of the electrical field, and the units for this are going to be newtons over coulombs. So I believe I have identified all the parts that you would see on these equations, and so you should be able to just plug in your numbers and solve pretty straightforward problems.